How Latvian singing sounds to a non-Latvian speaker.
Ever wondered how a song in your language sounds to those who don't understand it? Let's listen.
Dagens snowboardjackban förmånsflaskan går man selko Pretis galvon chefrap Kolbis halech livo Kenny sokas Dimmer up dogen solbet Krakop vaktin go back Something from på strand folk kram Avfred valov känrik domla Kortvis brevni Wadanken på fanres matat Jolda senti.
Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.